Well, it's the most unfortunate situation because the Super Eagles flew to Libya to play a match. As you know, the Libyan team was here. They were supposed to land in Uyo. Instead, they went and landed in Port Harcourt, where they were not supposed to land. And now our team has gone to Libya, and somehow the plane gets diverted to a different airport. And unfortunately, at that airport, there is no aviation fuel, because what we have just decided is they need to refuel and get out. We will not be able to allow them to continue. No food. You know, it's a good thing when they landed in Kano, they actually even got some water, some cartons of water. Otherwise, even water would have been a problem. But suffice it to say that we have established contact with them. We've sent people from the mission to go there that are representing the mission. They are in touch with the delegation there. I am also communicating directly with the chairman, and since last night we've been on the phone with the Chargé d'Affaires, because Libya doesn't have an ambassador here, so we're in touch with the Chargé d'Affaires, and I'm heading back to the ministry now, where we have summoned the Chargé d'Affaires, the Libyan Chargé d'Affaires. This issue has to be resolved as quickly as possible. So we're on top of the situation.